How to get credit score from 580 to 700. First, start by checking your credit report to ensure that there are no errors or inaccuracies that may be dragging down your score. Next, make a plan to pay off any outstanding debts, focusing on those with the highest interest rates first. Consider consolidating your debt with a personal loan or balance transfer credit card to help lower your interest rates and simplify your payments. In addition, make sure to pay all your bills on time and in full, as payment history is a major factor in determining your credit score. Try to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%, meaning you only use 30% or less of your available credit limit. It's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts to improve your credit score. It may take several months or even a year to see significant improvements, but the payoff can be worth it. To fix your credit for free, credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.